Hi, I'm RJ and this is for those who hate taxes, and what we're going to talk about today, medyo dark ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon, and it's going to be about SAWT. Our agenda for this session would be about the summary alpha list of withheld taxes. So if you still remember, in one of our sessions, we have learned how to withhold taxes from our suppliers. So, what if we are in the receiving end of such withholding wherein our customers withheld taxes from us? The question would be, how would these taxes withheld by customers affect the taxpayers? And the second would be, how to avail the tax credit from taxes withheld. If you still remember the way we present our tax returns, that would be gross income less the allowable deductions would be equal to your taxable income. The taxable income, of course, is our tax base, wherein we multiply it by the appropriate tax rate, and then we would come up with our tax due. But remember this, our customers actually withheld taxes from us, and these taxes withheld can be used as charges against our tax due, which we technically call as tax credit. Then if we deduct the tax credits from our tax due, and that would now be our tax payable. What we're going to learn now is how we're going to avail those tax credit. And we do that by making use of the summary alpha list of taxes withheld. The legal basis is, of course, the Revenue Regulations 2, Series of 2006, and Revenue Regulations number 16, Series of 2021. Now, these taxes withheld by customers can be availed as tax credits against our tax due. But as required by the government, we need to report these taxes withheld via the Alphalist data entry system and then submit the 2307 that we have received via the EAFS facility or DVD or USB. What are the process now to avail the said tax credits from taxes withheld? We need to, of course, issue the invoice to our clients or customers and receive the BIR form 2307 from them. The BIR 2307 gives the evidence of how much taxes was withheld by our customers for a particular period. After which, that is the time that we encode the taxes withheld to the summary of alpha list of withholding taxes through the Alphalist data entry system, which we are actually familiar of because that is also the same software that we use when we encode the taxes that we withhold from our suppliers. Pero dito nyo po siya encode dito sa aking binilugan. Now, after encoding it to the Alphalist data entry system, we need to, of course, submit the Alphalist via the e-submission facility again through the BIR website, and after which submit the 2307 online via the EIFS facility or via DVD or USB. Next question is, when do we need to encode it in the summary alpha list of withholding taxes? The timing of which is, it should be encoded and submitted in the same quarter when taxes were withheld by our customers. So, as a recap on how we're going to avail of those tax credits, first, we need to issue the invoice, receive the 2307 from our customers or client, encode the taxes withheld through the alpha list data entry system in the summary alpha list of withholding taxes, submit the said alpha list by the e-submission facility, and submit the actual 2307 scanned copy via EAFS or DVD and USB. So that, ladies and gentlemen, we have now learned how the taxes withheld by the customers affect the taxpayer and how to avail those tax credits from taxes withheld. For your questions, kindly post them in your comment section or reach out to our office online. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.